If Mom Became an Octopus by CM Healy, illustrated by Laura Goschel. My mom sometimes complains to me she needs a few more hands to help her with the chores like taking trash out to the can. But if Mom became an octopus, she'd have all kinds of arms. She'd cook and clean and wash and fold and check the fire alarm. My mom sometimes complains to me to hurry up for school, that teachers help you grow, and being tardy isn't cool. But if Mom became a cheetah, she could zip around so fast I could hop up on her back and be the first one into class. My mom sometimes complains to me there's too much stuff to carry. From car to house and back again, she's like a river fairy. If Mom became an elephant, she'd be all kinds of strong. She'd only have to make one trip because her trunk's so long. My mom sometimes complains to me she's tired all the time. If she could take a nap once in a while, it'd help her mind. But if Mom became a fish, she wouldn't have to sleep a wink. Fishes don't have eyelids, so she couldn't even blink. Yep, my mom could get her work done and have time to play with me. I'd be the envy of my friends. That's just how it would be. But if Mom became those creatures, she might look a little strange. Perhaps to solve her problems, maybe I should make the change. If you enjoyed this book and want to explore more with me, hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon, explorers!